Welcome to Spreadsheet 1, Topic 3.1.1, Hide and Show Grid Lines. I actually did a little bit of this in the Viewing Format option, but the grid lines are these faint gray lines that we see surrounding each cell. When you click on a cell, the grid lines are recolored to be a thicker blue, but typically they are gray, and that's how we can easily tell where one cell ends and the other begins. Sometimes you are more focused on how things are going to appear. So while you will often have the grid lines on while you're creating a spreadsheet, sometimes you'll turn it off before you present it to others. To turn off the grid lines, you simply go View. Under the Show menu, you click Grid Lines. It's a toggle. When the check is off, the little gray lines disappear, and we get nothing but white space. We can click that same option again to bring them back.